Every year, thousands of dogs in Orlando are abandoned, surrendered, or left without hope. Many never get the chance to know the love of a family. Lucky Dog Rescue Orlando changes that. With dedicated fosters, volunteers, and supporters, we provide safe shelter, medical care, and the chance at a new life. But we don't do it alone. Every adoption, every foster, every donation means another life saved. Be a part of the difference. Donate, foster, adopt. Together, we can turn every dog story into a lucky